राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वज़्ज़ारियाति ज़र्वा फ़ल्हामिलाति विक़रा फ़ल्जारियाति युस्रा फ़ल्मुक़स्सिमाति अम्रा इन्नमा तुअदून लसादिक़ वइन्न अद्दीन लवाक़िअ वस्समाइ ज़ाति।
We are migrated from India. My family is migrated from India. We have, what we say, we are landlord over there, and we left our things for homes, things like that, and come over here. So basically, you ask for my family, they love to go to India because they have lots of things over there.
The Kashmir issue basically started out as a political issue, and it could have been solved back when it happened, but now it's got the sentiments of millions of people on both sides, and it's got 50 odd years of hostile history. So I guess now the Kashmir issue is the most sensitive and harder to solve issue than almost anywhere else.
According to me, there is a solution. That Quaid Azam also given about 60 years ago, 60 to 70 years ago. He said that it depends on the people. Let them choose their self, what they have to do. If they want to live in Pakistan, they want to live in India, or they want to be separate, let them do. Let them freedom so that they can choose the sides of whatever they want to do.
You take world where there are 2 or 3 disputes majorly taking place. One is India-Pakistan, other is Palestine-Israel. Number 3 now if you take Iraq versus rest of the world. Otherwise, I think it should settle down. It's high time now.
In the UK, to be honest with you, in the UK, I have not seen much tension between Pakistani and Indian people.
Found that there's not much difference between the youngsters of India and Pakistan, basically.
You hear about it all the time on TV, or you hear about it, or or people tell you stuff, but there's nothing in England. Like where we went to school, there was no fights or nothing between Pakistani and Indian people. I've never seen anything like that here.
This is because of the roots, because India and Pakistan, they have the same roots. It's just since 5 decades that we've been separated.
let the people decide now. I think they definitely go to India. Indian people wants to come here, so they love each other. But it's the government restrictions that has made such things.
But this moves, whatever 1 year, whatever has been taking place, it looks very positive. I think down the line, both have to sit down and relax their norms.
I love my Indian friends to come in my country.